Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm bleeding the brakes. Waiting for my uncle to come. He's supposed to come today. Um, we're just gonna bleed him, and that's it, guys. I'm not gonna put the rotors of the hub because I only got one caliber for the other side. The right or left? No, I think I got it for the left side. I gotta get the right side, and then once I get that, then I will do that. But all I gotta do is bleed them because the brake pads still have like brake on them. The rotors do need to be changed, and but yeah, I'll do that one later. Just gonna get that. Oh man, look at that, guys. I think the key just finally broke. Damn, I'm gonna have to get another one. Yeah. Damn, that sucks. It was kind of bound to go because I remember at one time I turned it the other way and it made a crazy note. It made it turned the whole damn key. Like this whole thing turned. And I was like, shit. And it didn't want to open. And I think it just finally broke. That's a bummer. I'm gonna have to look into that. Oh, that really sucks. Yeah, because I remember I turned it like that. I think I did it this way and it went like that. And I was like, oh shit, like you did it too much. And that's when I started to learn that it was always left to open it. And now it doesn't really do anything. Man, it was working last night. It's like somebody came and went, and left. Messed it up. Or it just finally gave out. And I had, you know what, guys, too? I also had put WD-40 in here like the day before yesterday, and maybe what the hell is all this weird red? What the hell? It's all this red. It's weird. It's overspray. I think this truck used to be red. I don't even know. No, it was that original color that's right here. This is the color that it was. It's weird. Yep, it's broken. Now I'm just wasting time. I'm gonna have to fix that. Look at this thing too. Everything's all messed up. Good thing that's really simple in there. It's nothing hard. But yeah, guys, on the way from my uncle. Can't believe that fucking broke. You gotta slam that damn thing. I don't think you gotta slam it that hard. I think the door's messed up too. I have to put tape here, guys, because like I was driving it like one time where I thought it was gonna rain and I didn't want water to go in there and just mess up everything. It's a little Ford part too. Or no, something.
Ford, is that what it is?
I don't think. Yeah, it is.
Okay.
We took out the lock, guys. My uncle got here. I was afraid to take off this thing because these little things, I thought they were brittle, but they're still pretty good. So, and there was this clip that went in here, and I should have got it, but I didn't record that part. This is what was wrong with the door, guys. This clip broke. And they sell it on National Depot. And it's $1, right?
$1.11.
$1.11. So that's what's wrong with the door. Just goes in there like that. Oops. But yeah. So I'm gonna have to order those, guys. What does this part do?
It clips on here.
Does this need to be? I need to get that too?
No. That's what holds this part while this is up here on the key.
Mm-hmm.
That's what brings it up and down.
So this swivels.
Yeah, it has to have a little bit of swivel.
And the keys, you can see there,
That
it's
one is beveling or
broken off. We found the clips, guys, at Advance. Well, maybe we're gonna try. They had an assortment of clips. We have we have one on there right now. Oh, I gotta open it, right?
yeah.
That's what it looks like.
There it is. No, I don't want to do that. I'll get my fucking nails on it. That's it.
And put this up here. And that, look at that, how that goes in there, guys. It's real weird. It's a freaking clip. So freaking just simple. Wow. That's crazy. Look at that, guys. How it works. So where's that plastic thing? Huh? This little plastic thing that was messing up everything. The broken one. This is the part number, guys, if you're looking for this. I had it at Advance Auto Parts. 75450. My uncle left already. We just did the lock, guys, because that's what really had to get fixed. I'm gonna do the brakes tomorrow. Now it locks really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna do the brakes tomorrow, guys. He had to go get his alternator checked, and yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna do the brakes. We're gonna bleed them, and he has this like tool that he uses to bleed the brakes when it's like one person. But like since I'm here, we don't have to use it. But he's gonna bring it so we can show you guys how to use it and how it's done with that machine with one person. But that's it, guys, and that's all I'm gonna film today. It's better than no video. So guess that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.